Welcome back to Fatcity Finance. We're thrilled to have you here with us as we unravel the intricacies of the financial world. In this video, we're going to delve into a great financial opportunity that's been catching the attention of investors worldwide, the Vanguard VOO ETF. This exchange-traded fund, often simply referred to as VOO, has been making waves for its simplicity, diversification, and low cost. It's even caught the eye of the renowned investor Warren Buffett. But we'll get to that later. We're always here to make finance and investing more accessible and understandable for you. So, if you're ready to learn more about this intriguing ETF, and possibly even consider it for your investment portfolio, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for all the latest updates. Your support helps us to continue bringing you the best finance content out there. Today, we delve into the world of ETFs, specifically the Vanguard VOO ETF. So, buckle up and get ready for an informative ride. First off, for those who might not be familiar, let's talk about what the Vanguard VOO ETF actually is. Now, ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's a type of investment fund and exchange traded product that is designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or asset. Now onto the Vanguard VOO ETF. This is a popular ETF that aims to track the performance of the S&P 500 index. Now, if you're wondering what the S&P 500 index is, it's an index that includes 500 of the largest US companies spanning many different industries and sectors. It's often used as a benchmark for the overall US stock market, representing approximately 80% of the total market value of all stocks traded in the US. The Vanguard VOO ETF is an excellent choice for investors who are looking for broad exposure to the US economy. It offers a diversified portfolio of stocks from a wide range of sectors, including technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods, to name a few. One of the main attractions of the Vanguard VOO ETF is its simplicity. It's a passive investment that seeks to replicate the performance of the S&P 500 index, rather than trying to outperform it. This means that the fund's performance is largely tied to the performance of the index it tracks. Additionally, the Vanguard VOO ETF is known for its low cost. The fund has one of the lowest expense ratios in the industry, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Since its inception in 2010, the Vanguard VOO ETF has averaged annualized returns of over 13%, showcasing its potential for significant long-term growth. So, in essence, when you invest in the Vanguard VOO ETF, you're investing in a broad cross-section of the US economy. Now that we know what the Vanguard VOO ETF is, the next question is, why should you consider investing in it? Let's dive right in. One of the main attractions of the Vanguard VOO ETF is its diversification. Remember, this fund mirrors the S&P 500 index, which essentially means you're investing in 500 of the largest public US companies. This wide-ranging exposure to the broad US economy makes it less likely that your investment will take a severe hit if any one company or sector struggles. Additionally, the Vanguard VOO ETF is a model of simplicity. For those who are new to investing or just prefer a hands-off approach, this ETF is a dream come true. With just a single investment, you're able to gain broad market exposure, eliminating the need for constant trading or portfolio rebalancing. Not to be overlooked, the Vanguard VOO ETF is also noted for its low cost. Unlike many other investment options, the fees associated with this ETF are minimal, meaning more of your hard-earned money is working for you rather than being eaten up by costs. But what about performance? Well, since its inception in 2010, the Vanguard VOO ETF has averaged annualized returns of over 13%. That's a figure that speaks for itself. If you're still unsure, maybe the opinion of one of the world's most successful investors will sway you. Yes, we're talking about none other than Warren Buffett. As a renowned investor, Buffett isn't just a name you hear in passing. He's a man who has made a fortune through smart, calculated investments, and he's a big fan of S&P 500 ETFs. In fact, Buffett owns not one but two S&P 500 ETFs. This isn't a decision made on a whim, but a strategic choice that reflects his investment philosophy. Buffett considers these ETFs to be safe investments. They may not give you a quick overnight fortune, but they can consistently grow your savings over time with less risk. If you're looking for a steady, consistent growth of your investment over time, this ETF is a great option. And if it's good enough for Warren Buffett, it's certainly worth considering, right? As always, remember that is information for you to consider, not investment advice. Please do your own due diligence for your investments. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis here on Fatcity Finance, and until next time, happy investing!